You open Instagram or TikTok, you scroll 5 minutes, maybe 10, and then you feel bad. Not because something happened, not because you got bad news, not because anything changed, just because you saw someone else's day, their holiday, their new car, their perfect coffee, their perfect life, and suddenly your life feels small. Do you know that feeling? Here is something nobody says out loud. Social media doesn't show you real life. It shows you the best moments, only the best. The best photo, the best trip, the best version of everything. And your brain takes all of that and compares it to your normal day, your Tuesday, your small apartment, your cold coffee. It's not a fair comparison. It was never fair. Maybe you're thinking right now, yes, I know that. You know it. But do you feel it? Because knowing something and really feeling it are very different things. Today, we are going to talk about that difference, and I'll give you 3 real English phrases you can use when this feeling hits you. Stay with me. Let me tell you about Mark. Mark is 28 years old. He has a normal job, a normal apartment, a normal life. Every morning, before coffee, before breakfast, before anything, Mark picks up his phone and he scrolls. One morning, he sees his old friend. His friend is in Bali. Blue water, white sand, big smile. Then he sees a guy from work. New car, new apartment, new everything. Then he sees a girl from school, her own business, her own success, her own perfect world. Mark puts his phone down. He looks at his apartment. Old sofa, small kitchen, cold coffee on the table. And he thinks, everyone is moving forward, everyone has something, I have nothing. Do you know this feeling? But here is what Mark doesn't know. That friend in Bali, she is showing off. She has a lot of problems, money problems, big ones. Showing off. Remember this phrase. It means you show only the good things, only the happy moments. You hide the rest. The guy with the new car, he is stressed every day, every single day. The girl with the business, she cries every Sunday night. Mark doesn't know any of this. He only sees the photo, the best photo, the perfect moment. And he falls for it. Fall for. This is important. It means you believe something that is not true. You see a photo. You think it's real life, but it's not. Mark falls for it. And most of us fall for it too. Now, I want you to do something small. Go to the comments right now. Write 1 word in English. How do you feel after you scroll Instagram or TikTok? 1 word. Tired, empty, bad, small, jealous. Any word. Your word. In English, Asash. I'll read every single one. Here's something important. Something most people don't say. Comparing yourself to others is not your fault. Your brain does this automatically, every day, without asking you. Think about it this way. A long time ago, people lived in small groups, maybe 30 people, maybe 50. You looked at the people around you. Who is stronger? Who has more food? Who is safer? Comparing was survival. It kept you alive. But today, your brain does the same thing with Instagram, with TikTok, with YouTube. It sees a photo, it compares, it says, that person has more than you. But here is the problem. That person is not in your group. That person is a stranger with a camera and a good filter. Your brain doesn't know the difference, it just compares. This is not weakness. This is not stupidity. This is just how your brain works. But knowing this changes something. When you see a perfect photo and you feel bad, you can say to yourself, "My brain is comparing again. It's okay. It's not real." That's the first step, noticing it, naming it. And the second step is what we do next. Okay, now we practice. I'll give you 3 phrases, simple phrases, real phrases, phrases that real people use. Say them after me, out loud, right now. Don't think, just say it. Phrase 1. You open Instagram. You see a perfect photo and you feel it, that bad feeling. Stop and say this. I'm falling for it again. Say it. I'm falling for it again. One more time. I'm falling for it again. Fall for. You heard this in Mark's story. Mark fell for the perfect photo. He believed it was real life. Now you can name it. When you name something, it gets smaller. I'm falling for it again. This is your first phrase. Phrase 2. You see someone on social media, new car, new house, new life, and you think, they are so lucky. But now you know, they are showing off and are. Say this. They're just showing off. And repeat. They're just showing off. Again, they're just showing off. Show off. You know this word now. You show only the good things. You hide the problems. Everyone does this. Even you. Even me. They're just showing off. Say it one more time. No. Good. Phrase 3. You feel bad. The phone is in your hand. You are still scrolling. Put the phone down and say, I need to log off for a bit. Repeat. I need to log off for a bit. Again, I need to log off for a bit. Log off? It means leave the app. Close it. Stop. Not forever, just for now. Just for a bit. I need to log off for a bit. This is not weakness. This is a decision, a good one. Now, your turn. Pick one phrase, just one. Go to the comments, write it, but make it yours. Change one word. For example, I'm falling for Instagram again. Or, time to log off and go outside. Your version in English, one sentence, right now. I'll read every comment, every single one. What happened to Mark? He didn't delete Instagram. He didn't throw his phone away. He didn't move to the forest. He did one small thing, one very small thing. Every morning, he made his coffee first, hot coffee, in a real cup. Then, and only then, he picked up his phone. That's it. Coffee first, phone second. And something changed. Not the next day, not the next week, but slowly. Mark stopped comparing. He stopped looking at other people's chapter 20 and feeling bad about his chapter 3. He started asking a different question. Not, why don't I have what they have? But, what do I actually want? That is a much better question. And here is the thing about English, the same idea. Maybe you see someone on YouTube, perfect accent, perfect grammar, perfect everything, and you think, my English will never be like that. But you are comparing your chapter 3 to their chapter 20. They started somewhere too, with the same mistakes, the same fear, the same feeling. Don't fall for the highlight reel, in life or in language. You are exactly where you need to be, right now. There is a reason this channel is called English Lore. Lore is not grammar. Lore is not rules. Lore is not a textbook. Lore is what you learn from real life, from real stories, from real people. Today you learned 3 phrases, real phrases, phrases nobody teaches in class. I'm falling for it again. They're just showing off. I need to log off for a bit. These are not just English words. These are tools for your head, for your day, for your life, The people who speak English well, they didn't only study grammar, they learned to think in English, about real things, about their real life. That is what we do here. Every video, every story, every time. One more thing. Mark stopped scrolling every morning, but he still wanted something to listen to. So he started listening to books, audiobooks, in English. Not to study, not to practice grammar, just to listen, while walking, while cooking, while drinking his coffee. And his English got better without trying, without stress. If you want to try the same thing, Audible is a good place to start. One book, 1 month, in English on any topic you like. The first month is free. The link is in the description. It's the same idea as this channel. Real English, real content, real life. No grammar tables, no textbooks. Just listening. Let's stop here for a second. At the start of this video, you opened the app, you scrolled, you compared, you felt small. Now, you have 3 phrases. You have Mark's story. You have one idea. Don't compare your chapter 3 to someone else's chapter 20. In life and in English. One last thing. Go to the comments. Write this sentence, but finish it yourself. I'm going to log off from italki and spend that time charuta. For example, I'm going to log off from Instagram and spend that time listening in English. Your version, your words, are in English. One sentence, right now. And if English still feels hard, if the words disappear when you need them most, the next video is for you. Keep listening. Keep speaking. See you next time.